Good day everyone, I am Jimbo Panindim, a third year IT student from St. Vitus College of Balingasag. Today, I will teach you how to use MySQL syntax in SQL and OR. How to use SQL and OR in syntax MySQL console. SQL and OR. The and OR operations are used to filter records based on more than one condition. The AND operation displays a record if both the first condition and the second condition are true. The OR operation displays a record if either the first condition or the second condition is true. Database name, employee DB, attributes, employee ID, integer 10 unsigned primary key, auto increment not null, employee full name varchar not null. Employee gender, varchar 10, not null. Employee birthday, date, not null. Employee address, varchar 40, not null. Employee hire date, date not null. The demonstration in MySQL console. Show databases. Use employee underscore DB. And enter. And enter. And now I will select all from table employee where employee ID equals to 1 and employee gender equals to male. Please enter. And here's the result. This is the basic demonstration in MySQL console SQL and OR example. For more information, just visit www.w3school.com. Thank you and God bless.